so soft, and when I was putting the product in my hair, I was like, whoa, look at this lip. Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural, the channel that's all about beauty and inspiring beauty entrepreneurs and beauty gurus to love all things beauty. Today's video is actually going to be about this brand. I'm so late to the party. I'm not even gonna do an intro, but subscribe so you can get more videos and more insight on beauty products, and this channel is perfect for beginners. So I'm kind of late to the party, but I went into Ulta the other day, and it, you know how they have those displays right in the front of the store, and anytime I see hair products there, I'm like, ooh, which one should I try? And so I saw these ones there. I have the shampoo as well, but I actually styled my hair using these products. And one thing I want to note, my hair is not completely dry, but my hair is super soft. And when I was putting this product in, so what I did was I used the African soap shampoo, which I'll insert a photo over here. I had to use a different deep conditioner. I actually used a deep conditioner from one of my previous videos that I'll also insert here for you to take a look at. Once I got done with that, then I used the leave-in from this line, and then the styling product. I usually don't use gel on my hair, so I didn't use any gel, and this is what I did to style my hair. And it's been a while since I've even touched a perm rod, so I was anxious to see how it would come out. Like I said, my hair is still damp, and I should have waited till it was fully dry to see, but my hair is so soft, let me tell you. So soft, and when I was putting the product in my hair, I was like, whoa, look at this lip, and I could just feel that it was different than any other products that I've used. So usually when I'm trying new products, I think about the slip. When I'm applying the product in my hair, I think about if there's any buildup from the product, and then I also think about how my hair feels 2 or 3 days later after using the product. I'm only on day 1, but I just wanted to come on here and give you just like my first impression. So they're both pretty thick products, I would say. This is what this one looks like. And it's more like definitely a thicker cream, and you can tell that it has certain products in it, like shea butter. This one is definitely just like a leave-in cream like I usually like, and I love this has turnip root in it. Like, I have yet to find a product that has turnip root in it, and I wanted to try this product because I know it's by a person who spent a lot of time investigating products. She's been on YouTube for a while, Naptural 85, and she's been doing DIY products from the beginning, and she took years trying to build out the perfect product. So overall, if you're looking for, I know I'm late to the party, but if you're looking for a new brand of product to try, then I would definitely put you towards this direction. I would say that it's perfect for all hair types, and of course it doesn't have any of the things that we don't want in our natural hair products. The only downside I would say to this line is that, okay, so it does have oil as well. I did not get the oil because I still have some oil, and I don't really use oil that often. It brings it on my scalp. So this line does have oil as well. The only thing that I didn't see in Ulta, and this may be on her website, I didn't check it out, is a mask. I was like, okay, anytime I'm trying new products, I often want to try the hair mask. The 2 products I usually want to try, or the 3 products I usually want to try from a brand, is the hair mask, the deep conditioner or hair mask, the leave-in conditioner, and the styling cream. Like, those are the 3 products I want to try the most. The shampoo really did get in there, and when I say really did get in there, when I was rinsing it out, it did feel like my hair was stripped of the oils, but not in a bad way. So sometimes when you use shampoo products and you rinse them out, your hair gets tangled, it gets all knotted, and it just feels super dry. That did not happen, and it was the African soap. You don't need much of it, and you all I did was apply it to my scalp, and then when I was rinsing it out, I just kind of let it fall through to the ends of the hair. If you've been thinking about purchasing this product, I really hope that this line of products, I really hope that it was helpful. They're pretty good size products. I would say that these will last me a month or two. It really just depends on how often I'm styling my hair and how often I'm using the products. Shampoos always last way longer anytime I buy them, which is why I don't buy them that often, but I did buy that one even though I just purchased some shampoo. Anywho, so if you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to leave the comment down below and let me know if you tried this line before and your thoughts on it. Subscribe so you can get more videos like these, and I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles!